Welcome to Amaya Learning. Today we are going to do Maths Class 9 chapter number system. Okay. So last class we have talked about rational number and irrational number. We were learning about irrational number like root 3 is irrational number, root 5 is irrational number, root 7 is irrational number. So beta those numbers which can be, yes beta, number system irrational number. So one by one I'm writing about irrational number. Irrational numbers are those numbers, I'm repeating, irrational numbers are those numbers which are exactly non-repeating, non-terminating. Terminating, non-repeating. I think someone not joined, same link. Please send in the group first. Okay, non-terminating, non-repeating. So irrational numbers are those numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. I repeat, non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating are those numbers which are exactly called as irrational number. Last class we discussed about irrational number. I told you about irrational number. Root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, pi is irrational. Means those numbers which can be non-repeating and non-terminating will be called as irrational number. Non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating, it will be called as irrational numbers. Okay. It will be, yeah, it will not be formed in the p by q form. Direct you cannot be able to write this one. Okay, so that will be exactly coming as root 3, root 5. Okay, root 3, root 5, root 7, all that root part is coming as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Beta, look here. From here, 1 mark question will be 100% coming. School means they will definitely ask one question related to this. Rational, irrational is that topic. From here, in future, competition questions will come 100% sure. This will come in school also. So this topic, please, it's a request, learn very nicely. Okay, I'm there to support you. Ask how many times. If you will have doubt, I will clear it. I hope everyone joined right now. Naresh is there with me. Naresh beta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly say yes, auntie, I'm there. Only write yes.
Yes, auntie.
I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, auntie.
Okay, beta. Now ready. Now first, number line presentation of a fraction. That is again a very important question. First, we will do that one. Now, if someone will tell you represent minus 7 by 8 on a number line, minus 7 by 3 on a number line, how you are going to present minus 7 by 3 on a number line? May I tell you a very simple method? Look here, beta. When you are writing a number line, write number line in the same way. Trust me. First, I will be giving you minus 4 by 3. Easy one. Minus 4 by 3. If someone will tell represent minus 4 by 3 on a number line, then you are not going to convert it into decimal and then formula. The simplest way is divide all by 3. Now, beta, when you are dividing all by 3, minus 4 by 3 is where? Minus 4 by 3 is here. Understood? Then you will say, auntie, I'm having a confusion that this is lying between which to which number. If my teacher will ask that this number minus 4 by 3 lies between which two number, then I'll tell you that also is very easy. That part is also very, very easy. What we will do, we will extend it. Now, beta, when you will divide it, yes, now it is coming minus 1, it is coming 0, and it is coming 2, it is coming 1. So definitely on number line, minus 4 by 3 lies between minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1, beta. Minus 2, Kesav checked very nicely. That's why I have done this one. Because beta, these are small things. But student, yes, Avinash, it is correct. Okay. So think first what I'll write one more time. Give me a number. Any one of you, give me any positive or negative number. Give me a fraction. Give me a fraction. You give me a fraction. I will not give. You give me a fraction. 4 by 8. Avinash, 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2, beta. Don't give me that number. 7 by 8. Okay. Keshav has given 7 by 8. So Khushbu auntie has to draw 7 by 8. So Khushbu auntie has to draw 7 by 8. It's a positive number Keshav has given. Then what is there in the denominator? 8 is there. Okay, 8 is there. So what I will do, I will divide all by 8. I will divide all by 8. So 6 by 8, 7 by 8. Can you recognize where is your number? Understood. Now, beta, 7 by 8 lies between which two number? Quickly say me. Correct, Vishal. It is lying between 0 and 1. Why? Because 0 by 8 is 0 only and 8 by 8 is 1. Now, tell me, is it easy to draw on your own? Very good, Naresh. It is between 0 to 1. So, this is what I am wanting. I want you to think on your own. Easy or not? Tell me. Easy or not? Learned anything? Learned a very important thing. That means what, beta? You don't go for decimal. I'm telling you, don't go for decimal. Draw a number line. I'll repeat one more time, Krishna. Okay. Anyone give me any negative fraction? Give me any negative fraction, beta. Minus 3 by 5. Okay. So Jiva has given me minus 3 by 5. Okay, beta. So now what you are going to do? What you have to write? I have to find minus 3 by 5. So all number, after writing number system, you know how to write? Yes, Ashwin, we have to write 5. So beta, tell me now, where is minus 3 by 5? Minus 3 by 5 is here. And it lies between which number? Keshav, correct. Keshav 0 and minus 1. Darshini 0 and minus 1. Ashwin 0 and minus 1. So you are watching the number, whatever fraction is coming, it will coming between 0 and minus 1. Merunisa also understood. Naresh also understood. Avinash, Jiva, everyone. Everyone understood this or not? Tell me. Now this is a game, beta. This is a game. Today what you are going to do is on your own think a fraction number positive and negative, and then beta draw the number line, divide it by that number and enjoy this game. Very good. Minus 5 by minus 5 is 1, beta. Ashwin, minus 5 by minus 5, it will get cancelled. The answer is coming as 1. Maths is not tough, beta. We teachers are making it tough. It is totally up to a teacher how to represent maths to a student. Okay, 5 by 3. Avinash, now so you will do 5 by 3 on your own, beta. Kanishka is telling how -1. Look here, beta. Kanishka, how it is coming between 0 by 5 is nothing but, beta, see here. 0 by 5. 0 by 5 is nothing but 0 only. And then you see 5 by -5. So here it is cutting and it is coming -1. So the number lies between, this number is lying between -1 and 0 now. Now, Avinash, you are correct. Understood, Krishna, Kanishka, everyone understood? Very good, beta. So that means one very important work we have understood. Super. Now, next trick I am going to teach you. Ninth means now you are ready for competition. Competition preparation cannot start in 12th. It starts from class 9th. And my duty is to make you ready mentally for it. Okay. So get ready again, beta. All the best for next concept. Next concept is, I'm not seeing NCERT book right now. I don't have any book in my hand, but I know what to give you right now. So that NCERT book, once you will see now, you will solve and give it to your teacher and say that, ma'am, finished. Okay, I want this level from you. So I want this and I will be making you like that. So next concept, ready everyone? Finding five rational number between two numbers. Second one, number line presentation I taught. First one, sorry, number line representation I taught. Now second one is better, finding five rational number between two numbers. So if I will give you, find five rational number between 1 and 2, then what you will do? How to find five rational number between 1 and 2? I'll tell you a shortcut first. Okay. With that, you can find not 5, you can find 100 rational numbers. Shortcut, may I start? Multiplied by 6? No. I know a more easy way. Yes, Keshav. What I will do? I will multiply numerator also by 10, denominator also by 10. Now 10 by 10 is coming and 20 by 10 is coming. Between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10, what numbers are coming? 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, 16 by 10, 17 by 10, 18 by 10, 19 by 10, 20 by 10. I asked only 5, but we got 10 numbers. Amazing, na? One more time, because I know that you might have got confused. So one more time. I have to find, okay, I have to find five numbers, rational numbers between -1 and 1. Okay, between -1 and 1. What I will do, I will, whatever you are multiplying in numerator, same thing you have to multiply with denominator also, beta, because means balance has to be there. So what you will do, multiply, nothing written down means 1. So now you have number between -1 to 10 to 10 by 10. Very good, Ashwin. That means what? What will be the answer coming? First number -1 by 10, then 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, till 10 by 10. Anything understood? Tell me yes or no. If you have not understood, clearly say, Auntie, not understood. Explain one more time. I'll explain 5 times better, but your understanding is more important. Naresh understood, Keshav understood, everyone understood. Let's see one more example. This time a different example we will see. Not one or more. Find 5 rational numbers. What will be the 5 rational numbers? Kanishka is telling 20, 30, 20 and 30. Yes, beta, look here. How 20 by 10, beta. You put understood. What you are wanting, I understood. Krishna, why 10, ma'am? Beta, you can put 100 also. Okay. Now I will put 100 also. One time I will put 10, one time I will put 100 also. What I will do, now stop writing. What I will do, see that nicely. Very good, Ashwin, correct. Kanishka, correct. Keshav, correct. Super Keshav. Keshav took time, but he wrote everything correctly. Super, very good. Ashwin also wrote 21 by 10 to 30 by 10. The numbers coming between them. Very good. Nice concept. I've understood. Naresh understood. Divyashri also typed and wrote. Very good. Anyone else who is typing and writing? I want to see. Wow, super Maronisa. Very good, beta. Super. So that means they understood. Student, those who have not understood, don't feel that, auntie, they have understood, I have not understood. No, don't feel like that. You are a part of team. Very good, Naresh. Super, beta. Just give me 1 minute. I have to. Very good, Naresh. 21 by 10 to 21 by 21 by 10 to 30 by 10, beta. 30 by 10. One more time, I'll explain, Naresh. Okay. Now look here, beta. What I did is I have given Naresh two numbers, 2 and 3. And I told Naresh, beta, find 5 rational numbers between this. Naresh told, auntie, it is very easy. Listen to me, everyone. Naresh told, Khushbu, auntie, it is very, very easy. What I will do, auntie, I will keep nothing written means, auntie, one down, one down. So I will write like this, auntie. And then, you know, auntie, I have to create a balance. So if I will multiply numerator by 10, I will also multiply denominator by 10. Now, beta, 20 by 10, between 20 by 10 and 30 by 10, Naresh will be telling, auntie, now I will be able to find more numbers inside it. What I will be writing? 21 by 10, auntie, 22 by 10, auntie, 23 by 10, auntie, 24 by 10, auntie, 25 by 10, auntie, 26 by 10, auntie. So I'll be able to get all these numbers. I hope my children understood this. Very good, Ashwin. Any doubt, anyone? Very good. So now one question I am giving you. One question I am giving you, then we will go to next level. Okay? Very good, beta. So I hope you have understood. If you might have not understood, see the video another again time. But from this, you have to pick the questions and write in your note. Okay? Next one. My children are ready? You have to find 5 rational numbers between -3 and 0. Ready? Your time starts now.
No comma. 0 by 1. 0 by 10 minus 30 by 10.
Solvency.
0 by 10 minus 30 by 10.
Okay. 5 we have to find, Darshini. Okay.
Hi.
Very good, Keshav. Very good, Vishal. Very good, Divyashri. Very good, Ashwin.
I'm fine.
This is what I was waiting for. Only Naresh is correct. All of you have written. I was not telling anything at that time. I was just finding mistakes in your answers. Beta, see here. what Naresh multiplied and what he did. One by one, I'll explain all the points. Okay. Naresh also made the same mistake. Okay, one more time I'll have to do. Meronisha sees. Wait, beta, I have to teach you this. Again, same, don't change your trick. So now the number comes between minus 30 by 10 to 0 by 10. So now, Meronisha, what will be coming, beta? Minus 29 by 10, minus 28 by 10, minus 27 by 10, minus 26 by 10, beta, because 10 will be multiplied. There only Naresh has made mistake. I thought he has written 0 there. So he missed also that. Numerator also will be multiplied, Naresh. I think I should give more examples to you. Okay, Kanishka is telling minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1, 2 by 10. Okay. Beta, did you numerator? Why you have not multiplied? Numerator also need to be multiplied, na beta. When see minus 3 is there, na beta, then you only cannot divide it by 10. Now Naresh, absolutely correct. The best way to write is multiply both numerator and denominator by same number. Same number, that is 10. Then answer will come perfectly correct, beta. I want see some teachers, they will make mistake, they will not be giving marks in that. So that's why I want safe steps, very safe steps you take. Now Kanishka understood. One more time I'm solving. Wait, one more time I'm giving you a question. You got confused.
But
Find 5 rational numbers.
Into 10. 3 by 10.
Krishna, correct.
50 by 10. 49.
Okay, mute yourself, otherwise it will go in recording, okay? Keshav, minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, 5 by 10. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Correct? Or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also a rational number, correct only. Minus 0.9, minus 0.8, minus 0.7. Correct? Very good. And according to that rule, if you will multiply numerator also 10, denominator also 10, then minus 10 by 10 to 50 by 10. Then the more numbers will come. Minus 0.9, correct only. 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, correct. Okay. Now I hope everyone understood that part. You have to bring in that inside that interval. Okay, very good. So now we will go for next one. This is true false session. You have to tell me is it true or you have to tell me is it false. Okay. First question is, every whole number is a natural number. True or false? Very good. Kanishka, Keshav, Naresh, Ashwin, Krishna, Divyashri. Everyone said false. Diva, Krisha, okay. Dashri, false.
What name?
Very good, beta. Very, very good. So exactly natural number, it is just opposite. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural number, because whole number is having one number extra. Very good. Okay, anyone who is talking, please kindly mute your audio. Yes, Naresh, you are correct. 0 is one number which is exactly a whole number. And very good. So now next question. It will go in recording, beta. So answer is false. Next question. Listen, read the question properly and then answer. Every integer is a rational number. Let's see who will answer. Vishal said true. Very good. Jiva, Naresh, Shiva, Krishna, Jiva, Kanishka. All true. Very good. Meronisha, true. Correct only, na beta. Last class itself, we have Avinash also true, Ashwin true. Very good. So exactly, it is a true statement only. Why, beta? Because we know integer can be written as 3 by 1. 1 is also an integer. In the denominator section, we can write it. So every integer is a rational number. So statement is true. Now next question. Very fast you are answering. Super. Very good. This time I don't want to miss. Okay, Naresh,
False.
first give answer. Jiva, Kanishka, Ashwin, Divyashri, Meronisha, Darshini. Everyone at a time they are telling it is false. Krishna also told false. Super. So I think everyone gave the answer. Yes, beta. How can a rational number be integer? Last class, in the first class itself, we have discussed rational numbers cannot be integers. Integer numbers can form a rational. Yeah, 3 by 4 is not integer. 3 is integer, 5 is integer, but 3 by 5 is rational number, and rational number is not integer. Very good. So statement is false. Next one. Very good. Divya, everyone started answering so fast. I cannot read your name also. Kanishka, Krishna. Okay, Avinash. Did I miss anyone's name? Keshav. Started with. Okay, everyone gave the answer. Super. Darshini also true. So every natural number is a whole number. Already we have studied. True. Now this question answer you give. I'll keep my eyes big and see who will answer first. Naresh false, Jiva false, Keshav false, Ashwin false, Divyashri false. Very good. Very good. Meronisha, Krishna, Vishal, everyone is telling the answer is false. Kanishka also is telling answer false. Darshini false. Fantabulous work. Correct answer is false. How can be rational number whole number, beta? Very good, Darshini. Because 3 by 5 is not a whole number. Keshav, super. You took time, but you wrote the full concept. Very good. Very, very good. You all are going so strong. I feel very proud. I am teaching you all. Now, beta, we will go for P by Q form for presentation for formation. Okay. Okay. Now, decimal representation of rational number. Our next is decimal decimal representation of rational number. How to represent a rational number in decimal form? So if anyone will give you 7 by 8, these questions are very, very important. I'm telling you, I'm putting here 90%. Why? Because these questions are coming in exam. Your sir will give you these questions. So these questions are very, very important. Please kindly pay attention for these questions. So what we have to do, beta? We have to represent. See, one more important thing, when you are writing the answers now, maths answers, beta, represent it very nicely. Representation is lacking. So what you should do, make a rough column in your maths note and separate the rough column. Whatever calculation you are doing now, do this side calculation. Don't touch this side of calculation, and here you present. So see how to write the answer. I told you in the group now that I will be telling you how to present it. Look here, beta, how to present it. When 7 by 8 they are telling convert. So what we will do? We will write dividing 7 by 8 using division method. So now 8 will divide 7 first, 0, 7, okay. So 7 by 8 is coming as 0.87y. This method is by beta division method. But I taught you one more method. Do you remember one more method? So I'm doing that method here. 7 by 8 is there. Since in the denominator 8 is there, in competition what you will do? You will use long division method. It will waste your time. Then what you are going to do? 7, here 8 is there. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. How many times you have multiplied 2? Same times you have, that many times you multiply 5. So here 7 5s are 35. Now down it is coming 10, 10, 10. So 1000. Ashwin, not 625 beta. Kanishka, you have a doubt. Ask beta. Who is having doubt? Please retype it. It went. Okay, Kanishka is having doubt. Ashwin understood. So one time I have used division method. One time I have seen denominator 8 is there. Beta, because 2 5s are 10. Because beta 2 5s are 10. Once 10 will be coming. See, look here. Right now, between I gave you two numbers now to find rational numbers. Very cleverly, you have divided the number by 10 now. You itself wrote now minus 2 by 10. Why? Because you know that it will come minus 0.2 and minus 0.2 is smaller beta. Tell me. That's why beta, if denominator 0 will come, beta to bring 0, we are multiplying because 2 5s are 10, 1 0. 2 5s are 10, 1 more 0. 2 5s are 10, 1 more 0. I hope you might have understood the concept now. Okay, beta, very good. So we will solve one more question. I hope you might have understood. If you have not understood, ask beta again. Now 35 by 16. I know my children know what they can do. 35 by 16. You can use long division method. You can use long division method also, beta. Okay, 35, 4 into 4. Better than that, use long division method. If you are not wanting, yes, Keshav, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many 2 is here? Correct, Vishal. 16 into 625. Why, beta? Because 16 is there. 16 means? How many 2s are here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 2s are here. So what we will do, since 4 2s are here, that many 5 we will put. So now 35 into 5. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So that means what? It will become 21875 by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 21875 by 4 zeros. That means what, beta? 2.1875. Correct, Ashwin. 2.1875 beta, because 4 digits are there. So since 4 zeros are there, so it will go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So it is coming 2.1875. 4 digits there, na? Correct. Correct, Divyashri. Correct, Jiva. 2.1875. Correct only. Kanishka also correct. I hope you might have understood, enjoyed, beta.